आज चाहिँ कनु गर्न जान्ला गाडी प्याक गर्नु पर्यो सनस्क्रिन मोमो बोक्दैछ बुढीले फ्राइड मोमो सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट बियर बड लाइट डार्लिङ कम हियर I taste your blood and feel your nails upon my back. अब एक जग्गा ढोका खोलौँ यहाँ गिटार पनि बजाउनुपर्छ एउटा गिटार लिएर आउँछ अरे Yes.
Prima gas, Carico, prima gas. You.
$45, man. Hey, how are you? Boat racing. I like it.
What antenna do you want to fly?
It's gonna be interesting. Guys, like, I want that.
Like the wheels on it?
Kayak or you want a canoe?
Sound of opportunity.
Yeah. Hello, amigo. You think of the hat then? Very nice. Where's your beer, man? Time to crack one open, man. यहाँ आयो जाप गयो पानीमा हामफाले पिसाब फेर्यो टन्न बियर खायो More camping up there. केटी नाना पो त्यो घरमा Beer, booze. That doesn't work.
Where are we, man?
Mohican State Park, canoeing,
It's really nice.
drinking beer, hanging out with friends.
You good there?
Yeah, I'm good. Viva Las Vegas! Dum. How are you, man? Pretty good, man. Give him all that pushing together. Oh my God, feels good. Yangling for me. Get up, stand up for your right. Down over Mohican. Rock me, mama, like a soft Where am I going? I was a little bitty baby when my papa hit the skid. Mama had a time trying to raise 9 kids. She told me not to stare cause it was simple life. She did the best that she could trying to raise me right. But my mama never told me about it, nothing like a wild you. I bet your mama must have been another good looking honey too. I said, hey, go down double-O-K-I-N-G. Well, I smell T-R-O-B-L-E. Well, you sweet talking, sexy walking, honky tonky baby. The man I'm gonna love you and the way we gonna hate you. Reminding them of everything they're never gonna do. Baby, the beginning of a World War for you. Well, the world ain't ready for nothing like a wild you. Bet your mama must have been another good looking honey too. I said, hey.